Koodo Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Koodo Mobile plans and details are in the description below. Let's get into it. Koodo Mobile is a popular MVNO in Canada, owned by TELUS, and offers a variety of plans designed for users who want flexibility and value without committing to long-term contracts. Koodo offers both prepaid and postpaid plans with a range of features including unlimited talk and text, data options that range from 1 GB to 20 GB, and access to TELUS' fast, reliable network. One standout feature is Koodo's tab system, which allows users to spread the cost of their phone over time, making it easier to upgrade devices without a hefty upfront payment. Additionally, Koodo provides 5G access for eligible users on compatible plans, bringing faster speeds to those who need it. Koodo Mobile is ideal for users who want solid network coverage at a competitive price point. The carrier offers straightforward pricing with no hidden fees, making it attractive for users who don't want to deal with complex pricing schemes. It's especially great for users who don't want to be tied to a contract, offering flexibility with both prepaid and postpaid options. Another major strength of Koodo is its broad coverage thanks to TELUS's network infrastructure, ensuring reliable service across most of Canada. However, there are some limitations. Koodo's plans can be more expensive compared to some smaller MVNOs, especially for users who don't need a lot of data. Although the tab system is convenient, it can result in higher monthly bills depending on the device and payment plan chosen. Additionally, Koodo's data caps on lower-tier plans might not be enough for heavy data users, and once you hit the limit, speeds are significantly slowed down. In conclusion, Koodo Mobile offers great value for users who want a solid network with flexible, no-contract options. It's perfect for moderate data users who want reliable service and access to TELUS's robust network. However, if you're a heavy data user or need the absolute cheapest option, there may be better alternatives. Check the links in the description for the latest plans and pricing.